once upon a time when I got started on YouTube, I, like many females, thought that the only place that it could exist for me was being a beauty influencer. So I started doing some of the beauty influencer type videos, BoxyCharm, Ipsy, and I even went to a couple of beauty conventions, which I'm so grateful for. They were so sweet to me. I met some nice people. I have friendships with some of those people today, and even though I don't really do beauty content anymore, I'm invited on a beauty influencer and friends, I think I'm the and friends, trip that is happening next week. And I haven't really even processed that it is happening in just a few days. And not only that, I also was reached out to by one of the people and brands that's sponsoring the trip now. It's crazy. Influencer trip, what? And they even offered to send me a couple of items. And so I'm going to do an unboxing from ColourPop that just came in. So the first thing here is the face and body makeup, the Soul Body, and I have it in the shade, is it like 6? 8. I have it in 8. So I liked about this is that you can put it all over like your legs if you're worried about any kind of veining, imperfections, stuff like that. And I don't think it's super full coverage, but it is just enough to make you feel just a little bit more comfortable. Plus you could put it even on your face. So I thought this could be a good one to do if we are going to be poolside or wearing shorts and stuff like that, which I don't typically always do. This might be good for that. Also, I definitely love the ColourPop eyeshadow formula, and I can, if you are interested, even give you some recommendations, but I saw this one pop up and I really loved it, but I didn't get it at the time. And so now with this opportunity, I decided to pick it up. It is the Not a Box of Chocolates, and it's just a beautiful brown palette. And I was like, oh my gosh, this looks so cute. And look at this. Has a little bit of the glitters. I know some people don't like glitters. I do. And all of these shades of brown. Are you kidding me? This looks amazing. And I love that some of it's like almost a little plum leaning purple. There's some sparkle, you know, there's some mattes. So I was really excited for this one. And then last but not least, I had wanted to try, you guys know, hopefully, I'm on a dance team. And sometimes I do glitter, or I usually will do glitter on my eyes when we are performing, or when we do different things like we go to a parade, and that one's really fun. So we do lots of body glitter or anything like that. So I got a few of these. I've always wanted to try this formula, but we have like a purple, this violet and white, and then this one that is pink. So let me do some swatches here. So it says, keep me to lock the magic in. Oh, whoa, look at that. It's like a whipped moussey. Oh, interesting. Okay, let me set this down. Let's do this. Oh, look at that. Oh, fun. Oh my gosh. So this is the one with the purple shift. This is Duckling. Oh, different finger. Let me do a different finger, like a professional here. Like a professional. Close to You. This one looks super fun. Ooh, that one's really fun too. Ooh, I love this. So those are the 3 colors. Let me tell you some of the stuff that I would go with. Okay, actually, and one you can't get anymore, but if you are looking, if you can still get your hands on it, the At Forest Sight palette, the ColourPop one that they did in collaboration with Raw Beauty Kristi, fellow Washingtonian, always an excellent choice. Also, the Mulan palette. I love this palette. It has some glitters. It has some beautiful just browns and neutrals in here. And I think the packaging was stunning. If you can find that still, absolutely. If you're also into the browns and that box of chocolates, thanks buddy, was not your cup of tea, the Wild Child. This one's really, really good. I love these small 9 pans. These are great for traveling. In fact, in these 9 pans, the That's Taupe palette, this is absolutely one of my favorites. I love this one. I take it with me so often when I'm traveling. Also, if you can still get your hands on it, the little Grogu palette, right? But the Child palette, these greens, so beautiful. And actually, more than that one, the Mandalorian palette, this color right here. This one is stunning. And then this taupey one, if you're into the That's Taupe as well, these are such good colors. Also, into the bigger palettes, the Bare Necessities. This one has like pretty much everything you need as a neutral lover's dream. And then the more cold, I don't know, icy, what do you call it? Not the warm version, but the more cool version. This would be in that family. This is the Stone Cold Fox palette. So in case you need some recommendations, all of those for palettes. Their eyeliners are amazing, as well as one of my favorites is overlooked is their brow product. So if you want to check that out, there it goes. They even gave me a special discount code for the month of May. So $5 off a purchase of $25 or more of regular priced items. I don't think it stacks with any other coupons, but if you are shopping, there you go. Save some money. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and thank you to ColourPop for all of these fun new goodies.